As a young lad growing up in the Midwest, I had 2 monthly magazine subscriptions that I look forward to receiving every month.
The first was Boy's Life magazine, and the second one was Model Railroader.
Now, keep in mind that this was back in the 1970s, long before the instantaneous availability of information via YouTube or Google, and I used to wait every month, eagerly anticipating the next issue. And when it arrived, oh my gosh, it was like a feast for my mind. Every page was filled with articles and black and white photos that gave me inspiration and ideas. This particular issue has been with me since I received it back in April of 1973. There was a wonderfully inspiring article written by Derek Werner titled Modeling with Fiber Optics, all about guiding light into tiny places. Well, it must have inspired more than just myself. Model railroading is our second category in our 6-part series. Stay tuned.
As a quick introduction and to better set the stage, allow me to recap some key points from our first video. These videos are part of our introductory overview on illuminating your world with fiber optic filament. We're going to break down 6 different areas where people have incorporated fiber optic filament into. We're only going to fly at 30,000 feet, meaning we're not going to get into a lot of the how-to details surrounding these. That we're going to be saving for some of our future YouTube videos. That said, here is part 2 in our series. To give you a little deeper insight, we're going to delve into 2 unique areas. First, the world of model railroading, and then after that, we'll delve into the realm of architectural models. Our first and deepest example in the model railroading arena comes from fiber customer and enthusiast Gus Cloward. Here you'll notice how Gus gives his police truck at work scene that realistic wow factor by incorporating some fiber optic filament into the police truck. Gus also documented his build by producing a very special YouTube video, part of which I'm sharing with you here. John L. created that special holiday touch when he added some fiber optic filament into both his Santa caboose as well as a couple of pine trees, while Dave utilized some fiber optic filament to help illuminate the glass domes that sit on top of his Texaco gas pumps. Fiber optics are a natural enhancement in the world of architectural models, as shown here by a couple of examples from architecture student Jamie Kay. And on the right, you'll see an impressive architectural model created by architect and customer Adam Throgmorton. The video snippet shown here is from Adam's longer video, where he guides you through some of the areas surrounding his tour of the Baha Mar project. I'd also like to give a special shout out of appreciation to fiber fan and customer Bill Lorenz for his contributions on this project. So there you go. That's part 2 in our 6-part series on some of the various uses of fiber optic filament. Are you curious what the next 4 categories are going to be? If so, then I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We're deep in post-production, and we'll be rolling those out soon. And if you like what you saw, we would greatly appreciate a thumbs up. Our mission: to share and provide ideas, inspiration, and guidance to help you illuminate your world using fiber optics. We'll be sure to include links to all of the projects mentioned in this video in the description box below. While you're on our site, take a tour around. We have a lot of projects, and we also have a number of options for purchasing fiber optic filament. One of the more popular options here at the Fiber Optic Store are the Hobby Spool combo packs. Here we bundle together various combinations of different diameter filaments, offer them at different length options, and then apply a special combo pack price discount. We'll be sure to include a direct link to this popular option in the description below. We want to thank you for hanging out with us for the past few minutes. We appreciate it. Stay safe and be well. We'll catch you next time.